Oh, hi, I'm just here to pick up my parcel of drugs. I actually don't know where I'm going, girls. Where do I go? I hope they haven't stolen me.
Walk up the stairs to the office.
Hi,
Look, it even says, look.
I'm Shelley from Durrigan Fitness Classes. I'm just here to pick up my parcel.
I'm walking up the stairs.
That's parcel of fuck all. I just don't know what I'm doing. It's the first time I've ever done this. G'day. Hi. Shelley here. What a fucking shit show. You can't read directions.
You know what? Yeah, no, he said down left and then left again. Boy, I think we're at the wrong place. It was 58 to 66. 58 to 66. Where's no numbers on these buildings?
Oh, look, I reckon where all this toll is. Just there?
58 to 66.
Yeah. This is where I had to drop off.
This is 200 yards.
Yeah, see, look. Boom! This is where I should have probably known this, but I didn't.
Please report. Is this it? I think this is it. I'm sure. I think it might be.
And then,
There's no numbers on the goddamn building.
and then what you do over there, reception.
Yeah.
You got to go.
Said something about reception.
Blah, blah, blah.
Visitors, please report to reception.
Oh, he'd have been so happy to see you too.
I made his day.
Do you reckon it happens all the time?
Yeah. Because he said you're not meant to be here. You know what? Because Google, like, maps.
Oh, what have we got? All of this for this.
Hot dudes in there. You should have came in.
Don't give a fuck. Show us what's in the parcel.
Oh, mate, you bet I'm going to show you. Is it from Shein?
Come on.
Shein?
Oh, I see you've put your fucking crop top on the right way today.
Today's going to be the day.
I can't even deal.
Started the day off right.
Come on, a parcel unveiling.
Oh my god, guys. Welcome to my unboxing. I got this from Shein.
I think you've been unboxed fucking long ago.
Oh, this is going to be a sexy beast, this one.
Hey, how the fuck do I get out of here?
I don't know. I don't care anymore. I got here. Oh, mate. There's no way I'm wearing this.
What the fuck do you come up with this shit?
Oh, my God. Mate.
That's for in the bedroom.
I am not wearing this. It's
Paper thin.
paper thin.
Yeah,
Literally
and
paper.
it's literally a
Like,
newspaper.
First fail. All right. Oh,
What
this is a good one.
Yeah, what a dickhead.
This one is my cat shirt. It's just an oversized tee, which doesn't look oversized.
That looks like you could give it to
what's it say?
Skylar.
Undu cat.
Undu cat.
Isn't that 1, 2, 3 cat?
Cat, yes. You can
Alright.
speak Italian.
No, story.
French.
Anyway, that's a shit one. Let's go. It's got a cat on there. Let's go. Fucking out of there. Boom.
Oh,
So are you wearing your newspaper one on Saturday
well, I was
night?
going to, but I don't think I am.
Fucking don't.
No bad vibes.
Oh, that's a good one. I do like that.
Oh, this is an oversized tee. Yes.
Yeah.
Like that one. And I bought this for Rhonda. Is she going to see this?
Does she? No, yeah, she won't because she's on my Snap.
She's not on your Snap, but she is on your Snap.
I don't know.
This one.
And how much did all of that cost you?
Look, I don't know. Probably $5. It's Shein, let's be honest. Oh, this is a dress. It's up or down. Just a nice, you know. Nice little dress. Maybe I'll wear this on the weekend. Let's see if it'll fit. Yep. Maybe. And that's that.
Look, I don't know what I'm
Thanks for
wearing.
joining in my unboxing, ladies.
What's the neckline like on that one?
The neckline. It's a high neck.
Oh,
A high neck with a bit of a frill there with long sleeves because you know we're coming into winter now. That's a fashion.
Show us a look.
Oh, it looks good.
You could wear it over the top of something.
You could wear it over the top of like.
Show us a look.
Want to read all about it? Or
Yeah. What's the news?
Extra. Tell you the news, Barty. I'll tell you. Extra.
Go on then.
Wow.
Driver.
Yes.
Where are we going?
We're going to Otto's, bro.
Yep.
But will there be caramel? Will there be caramel and peanut butter in it?
I have a lot of peanut butter. I have a peanut butter first off the phone. I could make.
I don't know. I'm going to have to take it to the board. And yeah. Look,
Gotta
you
love
probably
business
should
meetings. Like,
Yeah, look, I'm fine.
is what you do.